Hi guys, Jeff from Discovery Floats, and today I'm going to take you through a reasonably stock standard 3-horse angle. Probably the only thing that's not stock standard about it is the paint job. So as you can see, we've done a two-tone paint process with this, with the navy blue and white. And this one's for breeders and so on, so it's done with their corporate logo and black alloy wheels. So as I said, 3-horse angle, and it's stock standard. We've also deleted the rump rug rack, which is usually standard in there. So still got the 4 pop-up roof vents, the angle bays all fully padded, internal LED lights, and so on. But yeah, you can get a feel for the space anyway. On the back here, we've also put the corporate logo of their business on the sides and on the gas lift up door. As you can see, we've got everything's still on it, like the holding bracket for the gas door, gas struts on the tailgate. See the rubber mat, and probably the only thing too we added were the rubber droppers on each divider. Again, suits their business. So. Okay guys, that's it. Speak soon. Bye.